Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel AK Coding. In this video series, we are going to dive deep into the world of data structures. Whether you are beginner or looking to brush up on your knowledge, you are in the right place. Let's get started with our first video, Introduction to the Data Structures. First things first, what exactly are data structures? In simple terms, data structure are a way to organize and store data in computer so that we can use it efficiently. Imagine a data structures are a container where data can be inserted, accessed and manipulated in various ways. Now, why should we care about data structures? Well, they are the foundation of designing efficient algorithms and softwares. The right choice of data structures can significantly affect the performance of your program. From searching, sorting, and managing databases and networks, data structures are everywhere. Types of data structures. Data structures can be broadly categorized into two types. Linear data structures. In these data structures, all elements are arranged in sequential manner like arrays, linked list, stack and queue. Non-linear data structures. Here data elements are arranged in a hierarchical or interconnected manner like trees and graphs. Common data structures. Let's take a quick look at some common data structures we will cover in this series. Array, linked list, stack, queue, tree, graphs, hash tables. Each of these data structures has its own strength and use cases, which we will explore in detail in upcoming videos. Use cases and real-world examples. To give you better understanding, let's discuss a few real-world examples where data structures play a crucial role. Array. Array is used in data indexing and matrix operations. Linked list. It is useful in dynamic memory allocation and implementation file systems. Stack. Essential in expression evaluation and backtracking algorithms. Queue. Widely used in scheduling and managing resources. Tree. Perfect for hierarchical data representation like file system and organization chart. Graph. Integral in network routing, social networks, and recommendation systems. Hash tables. Fundamentals for implementing associative array and data indexing. In this series, we will not only cover the theory behind these data structures, but also implement them in code, analyze their performance, and understand their applications. By end of this series, we will have solid graphs of data structures and be able to choose the right one on your specific needs. If you are excited to learn more about data structures, make sure to hit the subscription button and click on bell icon so you do not miss any future videos. If you have any questions or any topic you would like to cover, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video where we will dive into our first data structures, that is linear data structures. Until then, happy coding.